Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today Dad is preparing for where the polytunnel is going. Finally the preparation is happening. They've measured out, they've picked where they want to go finally off all the decisions that they don't know where they want to put it. So the ground has been cultivated first and now Dad is rolling it. They've been through picking out rubbish and Mum's still picking out rubbish now. Just trying to get it all level. So the decision was it going to go there or was it going to go there? Mum, which way is it going? Is it going over there? So it's going to be in line with the chicken sheds at that end, coming along. And it roughly, I think, came out to about here as a guess. Without putting all the markers back out. They've had it all out measured. So yeah. So I'm currently doing a different job at the minute, but we will capture some footage as well. Hope you enjoy. Car is for sale if you want to buy it. How much flatter does this look? Look at that! You wouldn't even recognise that we had our own little track going through here and this was all separate and this was separate. It all looks just flat. Looks brilliant. Weather, absolutely stunning. That'll do me! We will come back to him very shortly, see how we get on with this progression. Not sure how I'm going to post this video yet, whether it's going to be, say, segregated, so show this prep, bit of the other preparation, I don't know yet, we'll see. I don't know how we're going to do the video, I don't want to do it all as one video, but I don't know yet. Right, I'll just show you what I'm doing quickly, and then I'll get back to him again. So yeah, it's car related, I'm going to keep this short and sweet, don't want to bore you guys. So I did the wheels, I remember showing you about that. I've undersealed the Focus, which is our new car, and I'm now doing a quick smart repair, primer, paint and lacquer. So yeah, so they've opted for a different position, so you brought it further up this way in the end. And there's the map out of how big it is roughly. That is it, yeah? How big?
42 foot.
42 foot. What's that length?
Actually, it's black on that one. It's got a black mark.
So after rolling, cultivating, whatever, he's gone and dug it with the bucket because he wasn't happy with the levelness of the land. Even caught him out here with a spirit level. Okay, now, so he's been trying to level it. He wants it a certain distance. What? It looks more level, yeah? So he's just he's come out with the bucket and pushed more soil over here and taken a bit out from over the other side, and then he's just been running through with the cultivator again. Ruby's come to help you level it off.
She'll be levelling it this afternoon with something.
She'll be leveling it with a cat manure. Can't blame her, it looks like nice dirt. Look, it's lovely soil.
Look, she's found her spot.
Oh, she's okay, she's not gone for it then, she's gone for somewhere else. Ruby, did you have to? Trying to record here?